The next topic, the Arabian Sea branches. Arabian Sea branches. Yes, found in the equatorial areas. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal branches, Indian Oceans. Indian Oceans, equatorial areas. The India found in the above the north side. But the in southeast monsoons beginning in which month? The beginning of this June to September. June to September. The southwest monsoons originated in Indian Ocean. Yes, Indian Oceans. So Indian Oceans, the directions of southwest side. But the earth rotated. The near the equator areas change the directions. Earth rotated, change the directions. So, is a lot of moistures. Here is the low pressure found because of high temperatures. In summer season, the high temperatures also found. And the high temperatures found and the low pressures created. Here is the moderate temperature. Is the moderate temperature in Tamil Nadu. In these areas is moderate temperatures. High pressures also found. Wind directions, high pressure to low pressures. So is taken the lot of moisture found. Moistures found in the Arabian Sea and flow in these the directions. The strike in the Western Ghats. The Western Ghats is getting the heavy rainfalls in the Western Ghats and the west coastal regions. Mainly for this, the Arabian Sea branches of the southwest monsoon. The heavy rainfall to the west coast of India is located the windward side. So there is a Western Ghats. These moistures are break or strike. So receive the heavy rainfalls in the Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Mumbai because the Western Ghats side. This is the Western Ghats. Heavy rainfalls occurs in the west coastal regions. This is the windward side. Is the opposite directions. This is a windward side. The opposite direction is called a leeward side. Against towards the directions. They strike the Himalayas. This is the Himalayas regions. The strike the Himalayas in the northwestern part is receiving the heavy rainfalls. Mainly for this, the other part of which advance that towards the north is obstructed by the Himalayas mountains. That resulted the heavy rainfalls. Another one is the Aravalli ranges. Is located in the Aravalli ranges. Is the Himalayas Aravalli ranges. Aravalli ranges is parallel to the southwest monsoon. The parallel. So cannot strike the southwest monsoons. So because the Aravalli ranges the western part is a desert areas. The eastern part is a receiving rainfall areas. The found in the rainfalls. So these is the major southwest monsoon wind. One of the Arabian Sea monsoon wind. So the Aravalli mountains is located parallel to the wind direction. Rajasthan, the western part, not get much rainfalls in these branches. So these are three importance. One is the Western Ghats strike. The heavy rainfalls in the west coastal region and Western Ghats. This is called a windward side. The heavy rainfall at present Kerala, Karnataka, Mumbai regions now is the heavy rainfall because the southwest monsoons. The leeward side, the Bangalore, Pune. These are leeward side, Malay Marayum Pakkam. So it's a very low rainfalls. Another one is the wind, the moisture towards to the northwestern side, the Himalayas strike, they receive the heavy rainfalls in the Himalaya regions. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal, and then Uttarakhand, like that. It's a heavy rainfalls. Another one is the Aravalli Ranges. Aravalli Ranges is a parallel to the west coastal, parallel to the Arabian Sea. So I cannot strike. It's a receive very low rainfalls in the Aravalli Ranges. The western part is the desert areas. So another one is the Arabian Sea branches. Another one is the Arabian Sea branches. Another one is the Bay of Bengal branches. Another one is Bay of Bengal branches. These are Arabian Sea branches. Another one is the Bay of Bengal branches. Is found in the Bay of Bengal. So this is the Arabian Sea branches. This is the Bay of Bengal branches. Two branches. Southwest monsoons branches can be two branches. One is Arabian Sea, another one is a Bay of Bengal branches. The Bay of Bengal branches move towards the northeast India and Myanmar. So these branches move to the or towards the India and Myanmar. Towards the here is located Myanmar. So this is Myanmar, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and the India. So mainly for the towards the Myanmar and India. This wind is after the chain of mountains. It is found in this the Purvanjals mountains, the Asian mountains, mainly for the Khasi, Karo, Jaintias, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya. These also found in this lot of hills, mainly for the Khasi, Karo, Jaintias hills. The found in these regions. Asia received a heavy rainfalls. The Mao syndrome in Meghalaya received the highest rainfall in India. So Mao syndrome. So Khasi, Karo, Jaintias is mainly responsible for the heavy rainfall caused by the Mao syndrome located in Meghalaya. Later is towards the east to west direction because they strike the Himalayas. So east to west directions, receiving the very low rainfalls. The moisture is lost, decreases. So is a moisture decreases, very low rainfalls found. So Arabian Sea branches and Bay of Bengal branches, Arabian Sea branches and Bay of Bengal branches found in these Shivalik ranges, receiving the heavy rainfalls. Shivalik ranges is found in these Shivalik ranges is a heavy rainfalls. Decreases in the rainfalls from the east to west. Overall, about 75% of Indian rainfall received from this monsoon. So India only 75% of the rainfall got in the southwest monsoon wind directions.